There you are. Took you long enough. I am Ich Cacao, and yes, I am the goddess of chocolate. I was there when the cocoa bean was as valuable as money. Now we may be ruined. By opening that chest, the fell spirit, Kuzaka, was freed. A troublesome spirit trapped there since forever. I should know I put him there. Someone is getting fired. You need to make it right. I present to you a wand of courage. Take it. Kuzaka is waiting in the dark factory, but he may be dangerous. To cast him out, point your wand and command, "Be gone, foul thing." If you are brave enough to cast him out, then treasure awaits you. If not, save us! It is up to you!